So, I have been eyeing this one company for a very, very long time. And while they sell snacks that have peanuts in it that I am allergic to, they also have some other very interesting snacks that I'm just like, you know what? On this keto journey, I'm really finna be all in. It's hard to find snacks that either taste good or that I'm willing to eat. So, I decided to get Ketokrate. Yes, sir. And I locked in not only just one box, but two, baby. So I am going to unbox both of these for you because this one is January's box and this one is February's box. So I think right now they're offering a buy one, get one free. So if you sign up, it is about $44.99, $44.99 a month, I believe is what it is. I'll leave it on the screen just so that I'm not lying to you, but right now they have a BOGO buy one, get one free. And so I got last month's box and this month's box for the price of uno for one. And I'm loving the fact that I get to at least still get the opportunity to try the stuff from January's box that I've seen in a couple of videos here on YouTube that I was very interested in. Let's get into this unboxing. We are going to start with January's Ketokrate box. Now keep in mind I am allergic to peanuts, so there are going to be some things here that I'm not going to eat. I will be sharing things in these boxes with family who can eat them. I'm not just buying stuff just to kill myself. This is our beautiful box. All of the other stuff is kind of just clustered on the bottom there, but let's go through each one. The first item in this box is fried pork rinds, crispy cuts. They're in cinnamon churro flavor. They're airy puffs, and it's one total carb per serving. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I haven't had pork rinds since I was a kid. So I'm really, really, really hoping that sweet pork rinds is gonna be my thing, because I'm so used to like this more savory flavors that I haven't really thought about the option of making these sweet. So when I try this and when I try any of the things that I'm able to eat, I will be recording my reaction. Next, we have a protein bar by Ketology. Yeah, Ketology. And it is in the peanut butter chocolate chip with 1 gram of sugar, 3 net carbs, 18 grams of protein. And it has 7 grams of collagen in here too, so that's quite interesting. Sad thing is I cannot eat this, but hopefully it's not one of those chalky protein bars. And hopefully you can see this. So, it's not too big. It's about that size. Next, we have banana bread walnuts. Now, I'm not sure if I'm allergic to walnuts, so just in case, I'm not going to eat this. But it is vegan, no sugar added, keto-friendly, low sodium, low carb, no cholesterol, and gluten-free. And it only has 2 net carbs. And that's what this one looks like. If it will focus. There we go. We also have what is called a bar with benefits by this company named Jimmy. It is a keto chocolate macadamia nut bar. It looks like it's a combination of nuts. If it didn't have peanuts in here, I might have went for it. But it's 16 total grams of fat and 4 net carbs. Then by Good Sam, it says, be an ally for small farms, dark chocolate with sea salt and dry roasted almonds, 55% cacao, no sugar added. Look at this big old chocolate bar with nuts in it. Well, with almonds. Almonds I'm not allergic to, but look at this big old bar. That is a nice size bar. As you can see so far, these products are all full size. You're not getting small sizes in these boxes. You're getting all full size products. Now this one right here, I'm excited for. I am super, super, super duper excited for this Chalk Zero flavored white chocolate in the flavored peppermint. Okay. I love me some milk chocolate with some mint, but I've never had white chocolate and mint before. And this right here is catching my attention. There's no nuts in this. It's just milk. And I just recently actually bought Chalk Zero's honey substitute, and chef's kiss. I haven't even used it in food. I just got a little swig of it on my finger a couple of times, and it was same thick consistency, and it had a nice amount of a sweet taste to it, and it has no sugar. These last few snacks have nuts in them, so I'm kind of sad about that. So far, out of this keto box, I can only eat 2 things. This right here is a whole box of mini size milk chocolate bars. It's milk chocolate bars with caramel, nougat, and peanuts. And it's about 7.5 servings in this box. Then we have another protein bar. It's called from Monk Pack, called Peanut Butter Cup. 1 gram of sugar, pre and probiotics, 4 net carbs, and 15 grams of plant-based protein. And then lastly in this January box, we have, oh, this is another thing I can eat. Keto Fat Bomb. It's caramel, it's crispy caramels, and it has MCT oils in it. And I made sure to check the back, and there is no nuts. It just has been processed in the same factory, and that's majority of most foods, and I'm able to still survive and eat those. So that's what this looks like. Moving forward to February's box. Now this one, I'm eager to see what's in here. Mind you, I cut the tape just to make life easier for me, so I don't have to be doing that on camera. But woo, okay, I'm already seeing some things that I can eat and that I'm excited to try. So there is Goyard Snacks. They're keto puffs in the flavor sour cream and onion. They kind of look like Cheetos. They're 3 net carbs and 14 grams of protein. We also have some fruity flavored gummy bears. This has candy just got better. It has 1 net carb, and it's made with allulose and monk fruit. It's by the company Scrummy Sweets. I love me some sweet snacks, and I love gummy bears. I actually have some gummy bears from Atkins, so I'm really excited to try these. Another flavor of pork rinds. We have white cheddar flavored chicharrones. This is interesting. I wonder if this is going to be anything like white cheddar popcorn in a sense. But I can't wait to try this. I am so excited to try this. Then we have, it's called Better Than Good Foods. It is a protein breakfast puff. I guess you can choose to eat it with or without milk. It is 14 grams of protein with 4 carbs, 4 grams of sugar, and it's gluten-free, and it's veggie infused at that. All right. So, do you have to have milk with this? I guess not. I guess you could just pop it and eat it. But I think I might do some just dry and some with milk and see how that goes. Next up, we have some butter toffee nuts. Ugh. So I guess it's nuts that's covered in butter toffee. Doesn't sound delicious to me, but may be very much delicious to one of my lucky family members. Probably my mom might like something like this. We have another one of those Ketoology protein peanut butter chocolate chip bars. We have another one of those Jimmy chocolate macadamia nut bars. So nothing new to see there. And last, but not the last 2 items we have here is white chocolate, actually, from Chalk Zero. Oh, and I'm a white chocolate girl. I love milk chocolate, but white chocolate just does something different. Oh, can't wait to try this one. And then last but not least, these remind me of the thing called the Rocher chocolates. And they are milk with hazelnut. It is keto-free, gluten-free, and it's by Royal Truffle. And it's a whole box of these. And that is it for my new venture, the new company, Ketokrate. Well, new company for me, Ketokrate. And these will be snacks that you will get the chance to see me eat on other videos where I'm showing you what I'm eating for the day and how I'm actually meal prepping and planning for the week. So hopefully you enjoyed this Ketokrate unboxing. I'm very, very happy to be starting this new venture with them, and I hope that I continue to be happy with the products that they provide me with.